I just wait and listen for the storm. You can hear the difference in the wind when the dark clouds form and start to turn. I'll run again, far away when the hurricane comes in. When the dark clouds form and start to turn, I'll